Hey sports fans, it's Ross Greenstein and you are watching Scully Life TV, the place to learn how to navigate your recruiting process. This is Q&A Friday. Today's question comes from Andy, father of Laura, a 17-year-old tennis player, and he writes, "Hi Ross, my daughter Laura is 17 and she has just started her senior year of high school. Laura is a good tennis player and she has been heavily recruited. As of yesterday, Laura had narrowed down her list to 3 schools and she had set up official visits with all of them. We knew the coaches were looking to recruit other girls as well, but we felt that Laura was one of their top choices. Yesterday, we got an email from one of the coaches telling us that their spots are now full and they will be canceling Laura's official visit. Is this normal? We were shocked. Should we be worried that the other schools can also cancel her visit? We assume she'd be offered a spot at all of the schools because these coaches have been recruiting her for the last 2 years. What do we do now? We are very stressed. Please advise, Andy." Andy, thank you for your question. Unfortunately, this situation is all too common. That is why understanding Laura's market value is critical. Make sure Laura calls the other 2 coaches immediately. She needs to ask the coaches if there's a possibility that they would end up canceling her visit because of commitments from other girls they have on their list. I also highly recommend that she reaches out to some other schools and sets up official visits. I understand that Laura wants to go to these 2 schools remaining on her list, but even the best athletes need to have backup options. I cannot recommend that Laura keeps all of her eggs in these 2 baskets. It's unfortunate that the coach did not call Laura and explain to her that he had decided to go with other girls and he'd be canceling her official visit. But this could be a blessing in disguise. The fact that the coach did not call Laura shows what kind of communicator he is. It's probably not a coach that Laura would have wanted to play for anyway. Hang in there, Andy. I'm sure Laura will end up at a great school. If she is wondering what questions she needs to be asking the coaches, have her watch Quarter 3, Video 2 of the Scully Guide titled, "How to Understand My Market Value." In there it'll tell her exactly what questions she needs to be asking the coaches at this stage of the recruiting process. Andy, that was my A to your Q. I know this is a stressful time for your family. The more Laura knows her market value at the remaining schools on her list, the easier the process will be. Make sure she's asking the right questions and has a great understanding of where she stands on the coach's wish list. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you had an experience with a college coach canceling your official visit or canceling your child's official visit? As always, these discussions take place below on Scully Life TV. Stay on your game and keep pushing to find the right school for you on and off the field of play. There's a school out there for every student athlete that wants to play their sport in college. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Scully Life TV.